Right, Andy, what's happening?
We're just on the repairs of the turret, which is getting worse as we speak. So we're manufacturing every individual item and replacing them. And Craig's away doing the wall plate just now, so he's manufacturing the wall plate, and then we'll start rebuilding that other side. Get around once the structure's done, we'll sarking it again. Get ready for Slating, boys.
Was Raymond's special paste never going to save that wood?
No, it's no magic enough.
Not magic enough.
It wasn't strong enough. So no, we're getting there. It's just a wee bit more work than anticipated, but it can be done. So we'll get it sorted.
At least the weather's nice for it, isn't it?
The weather's great.
For a day to be on the roof.
Look at the view.
Beautiful.
We pay people to get to work here. Use up for the short section.
Really, boy, what brings you up? Where are we? Probably.
Might be black stuff on it.
Better though.
I would.
Tape, measure for the hole down and sort it. What's that? Accelerate.
Somebody's got to do it.
That's somebody's me. I'm that guy. The tape then gonna get it.
Oh, did you? What tea room?
New one, whatever.
Did you look in there?
She looked it off.
Oh, did you?
Did you?
How's it going?
It'll be somewhere. There's a cord. Right, that's a good one.
Right, so Paul, how's things going with this turret then?
Yes, we're getting there. This is the turret above the
Attic.
the attic space. Yes, the attic. Yes, there's the attic rooms there. So this is the turret above the attic, and some of the challenges you're facing on this is that you've got to dress every single slate on both sides so that they fit snugly together and go round in a curve, and you've obviously got to double nail every one as well. So.
And the sizes change as it goes up
Sizes, the sizes at Scottish slate start with the biggest slate at the bottom, and they reduce all the way up, and you'll start off with maybe 15 or 16 inch slate, we're currently at 10 inch, around about halfway up. So this will be reduced down to 10 inch here, and then they'll go probably up to about here. It all depends on how many you've got, obviously. So we'll go 10s to about there, and then reduce down to 9s, and then up at the top it will be around about 8s.
And the copper nails.
Copper
Just keep
nails,
it in
double
place.
nail. Sometimes you have to put a wee one on the shoulder just to stop them from moving about. But yeah,
Getting there.
we're getting there. It looks, yeah, it's looking alright actually. It's looking good.
And the view's alright as well.
And the view's beautiful, yeah, especially on a day like today and yesterday. Yeah. Once it starts raining, it won't be as nice.
More turrets.
More turrets.